Fishing in wetlands in Ayeyarwady region continues to thrive, especially with the introduction of integrated farming there. Let's hear more about this livelihood from MITV reporter Juju Then.
Myanmar's wetlands are not just crucial to the country's ecological system, they also play a vital role in the economy, providing much of the foundation for the nation's fishing industry. We visited one of the wetland integration farms situated in Migratory village of Mauben Township in Ayeyarwady region.
This wetland integration farm has been operating since 1994. There are 2,350 fish breeding acres. Different types of local fish species are being bred here. The annual catch is about 418 tons. We export half of the catch and distribute the rest half for the local consumptions. About 120 employees are working here. We mainly export to Dubai and China. We also plan to display our marine products to Boston Seafood Show and the US to seek more international markets.
Freshwater fish breeding from the inland wetlands not only benefits Myanmar's export earnings, but importantly creates job opportunities for the locals.
I am from Lano village. I have been working here for about 4 years. We can get about 4 or 5 types of fish species once we catch them. My daily wage is 3,000 just per day.
Sustainability of the fishing industry not only contributes to the conservation of the wetlands, but also is vital for the livelihood of local communities. I am Tijutne for MITV, Myanmar International Television.
While it's nice and warm here in the southeastern part of Asia, the winter breeze blew in the north. To take refuge from the freeze and find food, migratory birds fly into warmer areas of the world, like the wetlands in Ayeyarwady region. Juju then reports.
Every year, millions of birds fly from the northern hemisphere to the south along the East Asian-Australian flying to escape from winter. Myanmar is on both Central and East Asian flyingways, and many migratory birds come to its wetlands and coastal areas every year. One of these wetlands is found in Migratory village of Mauben Township of Ayeyarwady region.
When this wetland integration farm was established in 1994, resident migratory birds normally come here. I instruct my staff not to shoot the birds, because some birds, like cranes, are intelligent. They never come back to the place where they find danger. Many cranes reside here as they believe this place is safe for them.
I think it's a marvelous natural habitat and one which has great potential. Increasing number of tourists, I think, who'd like to go to unusual places and see things which other tourists are not seeing. And because that is a beautiful place, it's very well managed and protected, and also a big variety of birds available there. I think it has a lot of potential as a tourist spot.
A large number of resident and migratory birds attract bird watchers to visit the lake, making it a destination for ecotourism.
I used to travel for bird watchings. It's very pleasant to see the rare species of birds like cranes and pelicans in this natural lake.
Whenever I visit here, I feel very fresh and cool as I can escape from suffocating of urban life. I'm thinking to create this site as a tourist destination. It's the best place for bird lovers to study rare birds.
Myanmar now has about 9 ecotourism sites. This will be another potential site for the visitors with its well-protected natural habitat for migratory birds. I'm Tijutne for MITV, Myanmar International Television.
Prevention of dengue by breeding ornamental fish is now being pursued by a fish federation in Kanoji Garden in Yangon. The breed of fish is said to be eating larvae of mosquitoes. Weima 9 tells us more.
Dengue and dengue hemorrhagic fever is a viral illness that is spread from human to human by the bite of dengue virus carrying Aedes mosquitoes. Dengue fever cases mostly occur during the monsoon season. This is the leading cause of serious illness among children. Myanmar Ornamental Fish Federation is now trying to disseminate knowledge to prevent the spread of dengue hemorrhagic through breeding ornamental fish.
According to the meeting's decision of Myanmar Ornamental Fish Federation, we all agreed to breed a large amount of ornamental fish that lacks mosquito larvae for their foods, so as to prevent from occurrence of dengue fever. These fish like to eat not only larvae, but also the eggs. The Federation will disseminate breeding method to the public, especially in the schools. It will be free of charge. In future, we have to coordinate with the concerned ministries to successfully implement this project. We'll also donate ornamental fish in early period of the project, and later we'll have to sell.
My responsibility is to distribute the ornamental fish to the schools or houses. The number of fish is not limited. We will negotiate with the authorities to distribute down to the grassroots level.
Myanmar's most deadly dengue outbreak was recorded by the Health Ministry in 1994, when 444 people died from the virus, when in 2001, epidemics killed 204 patients. The best way to prevent dengue fever is by preventing spread of the virus by controlling mosquito breeding sites. Manai for MITV, Myanmar International Television.